Okay, y'all. If y'all remember this thing that I made with the glass top here, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm take these individual strips of sandpaper that I got. This one right here is particular. This particular one is 3,000 grit, and I've got it all the way down to 800 grit. I think I see 3,000, 2,000, 1,500, 1,000, and 800. Usually this 3,000 stuff, I've never been able to find it until a couple weeks ago. Usually you got to kind of get online and order stuff like this, 3,000 grit. But believe it or not, Lowe's had it. Lowe's had, that's the highest grit they have, but 3,000. I mean, how can you beat that? So I'm gonna take the sheets that they come like this, yeah, and I'm gonna glue them to this piece of glass that I got set up here that I thought originally would hold polish, but it doesn't hold polish. It needs to kind of absorb into whatever it is. So best thing in the world for it is just another piece of wood. That's the polish right there. But this is the glass. I got it on the board. I'm gonna spray some of this self-adhesive right there. Spray adhesive. Ooh. Time for a close-up. Whoa! Okay, so I'm gonna put that out here on the glass, and I put this one here, put another one here, put another one here until I run out of room down here. See how many I can get on there. All right, sounds good. It may take more time, but to me these Forstner bits make a prettier hole, or true hole. I got one board done, and this is the last hole on the second board. I always got to check underneath because I don't want to come through too hard. Okay, that's it. This will tighten this up as tight as I need it to. So will this. Don't that beat a wrench? That beats a darn wrench any day of the week, I mean. Get you back in the picture here. Any day of the week. Tighten that up. Tighten that up. That's it. Hope y'all enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. That was pretty neat. I've been trying to work on these handles since this time last year. And I always had something come up. and this has always been put on the back burner. So I'm glad I finally got this done. Like I said, the hole is off center, but it's made to where it's flush across the top of the bench. And if I need it to stick up any higher, then I can just take them off and flip them over, and it'll sit up a couple of inches if I need it to. But at least it's even with the top of the bench here. And like I said, the handles are they're the big saving grace right there. I'm telling you what, I like that. I like just being able to tighten it up with my hand. Tighten it up pretty good and tight with my hand. So that's it. Hope y'all liked it. Thanks for watching.